TOSA, ROSA, pin clipping and molding. Pin clipping and molding process is a key manufacturing process in the production of optical modules. Generally, the process mainly includes the following steps. First, preparation. This step involves preparing the tools and equipment required for the clipping and molding process, including clippers, molds, gloves, and other equipment. Second, clipping. During this step, the excess pin on the TOSA or ROSA is clipped off using clippers. The pins are clipped to match the specific requirements of the optical module. Third, molding. According to the design of the optical module, the pins are cut and shaped, and their angles and shapes are adjusted for better assembly onto the PCB. Fourth, inspection. After the pins have been clipped, molded, they are then inspected for quality and precision to ensure that the length and shape of the pins meet the standard requirements. Any faulty components are removed or replaced as needed. By following these steps, the pin clipping and molding process can be achieved successfully. The accuracy and reliability of the pins can be ensured, and the pins can be guaranteed to comply with the standard size and requirements. SFP optical transceivers play a crucial role in modern society. Located in Shenzhen, China, Houston factory specializes in optical transceiver research and development and manufacturing. Contact us at www.houston.com.